marketing leader, founder and CEO at Accord Digital. Please, can you have him on stage, please? I request Srikanth Mikileni, digital education missionary, for enthusiasm. Mr. Krishna Kumar Koganti, Sustainable Insurance Solutions Private Limited, founder and group CEO of Micro Nature. Can we have a look, please? Hands together for Srikanth. We now invite Sudhakar Varma, Yaramaraju Innovative Technology Solutions Award, founder and CEO of Propaxo Technologies Private Limited. Can you have him on stage, please? And put your hands together for Sudhakar, please. Sanjay Mandava, Visionary Leader in Real Estate Tech Award 2024. He is the founder and CEO of Landlead. Congratulations, Sudhakar. Then we have Sanjay please on the stage. Put your hands together for Sanjay please. I now invite Shyama Yelparagada, Digital Transformation Excellence, founder and CEO of SmackX Inno Labs Private Limited. I now invite Ramya Reddy Mundugulla, Excellence in Global Revenue Lifecycle Solutions, Chief Information Officer and VP Sales APAC at Forces Inc. Put your hands together for Ramya Reddy, please. I go on to invite Dharmendra Chandramoli, Excellence in Digital Marketing and IT Services Award, founder and CEO of 9Cubes. Dharmendra, we invite you on the stage. Put your hands together, please. I now invite Bharat Bhushan, Outstanding Service in Medical Transport, CEO and of SK Ambulance Services. Limited Productivity, co-founder and CEO of Inner Team Co-working Private Limited. Can we have him on stage, please? Put your hands together. I want to invite Mr. Gundapeti Sudhakar, Excellence in IT and Innovation Award, CEO at Matayo AI Solutions Private Limited. Can we have Sudhakar on stage, please? I now invite Vinod Vora, Excellence in IT, Education and Skill Development, CEO at BJSMR College Technologies Private Limited. The video is being
Excellence in IT Security Innovation Award. We are happy to receive this award due to some personal emergency and no other than physical condition. I could not able to attend this event. Thanks to the SC Connect team for giving this award. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
I now request the Skill Development CEO at BJSMR College Technologies Private Limited. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your presence for the event. I request Sri Ajay Mishra to come to the stage and felicitate the awardees, please. Technology Visionary and Leadership Award, founder and CEO at Sana Web Technologies. I now invite Akhilesh Suri, Workspace Workforce Integration Innovator Award for 2024, co-founder and director at Connectitude. Put your hands together, please. I want to invite Preetham Nandanam, Best Staffing Firm of the Year, Managing Director of Intelexia IT Solutions Private Limited. Can we have him on stage, please? I want to invite Syed Sheikh, Creative Visionary and Visual Arts. Can we have Syed Sheikh onto the stage, please? I want to invite Dr. K. Somashekar Reddy, Healthcare Innovation Excellence Award. He is the MD and CEO at Switch Health App. Request Thomas Shankar to come on the stage, please. I now invite Sampath Kumar Gupta, Excellence in HR, Human Resources Award. He's from my fraternity, HR Operations at Planful Software India Private Limited. A big round of applause for my fraternity. I want to invite Pawan Kumar, Atmakuru, Innovative Brand and Branding and IT Services Private Limited, founder and CEO at Infotech Soft LLP. Please put your hands together for Sampath. Sorry, Pawan. I want to invite Dinendra Lakim Seth, Excellence in Medical Mobility Engineering Solutions, founder and CEO at Easy Life Mobility Innovations Private Limited. Can we have a round of applause, please? I want to invite Guru Srinivas Srikanth. He is world's most innovative Ayurvedic app, CEO of Think Ayurvedic First. As our PM always says, made in India, I think you're doing a wonderful job, Srinivas. I now invite Thota Vini. He's 3D's Virtual Simulation Excellence Award, Chief Executive Officer at Prisma Bricks. I now invite Api Reddy A, Excellence in EdTech Solutions Provider, Chairman of Agile Solutions Private Limited. Can we have Api Reddy on stage, please? I move on to our youngest awardee. I next invite Uday Kumar, Aviation Industry Innovation Award for I3 Aviation Private Limited. I request Ruchi Reddy to come on behalf of and collect the I3 award, please. I want to invite Ayushi Vedme, Innovative E-Learning Platform of the Year, Chief Executive Officer at Complico. Put your hands together for Ayushi, please. I next invite Divya Chowdhury, Excellence in HR and Business Development. Can we have Divya on the stage, please? A round of applause for Divya. We have another Divya. I invite Divya Jayaraman, Best Emerging Higher Education Institute, Director at Nelson Business School. Can we have Divya Jayaraman on stage, please? And put your hands together.
Sir, wait.
I want to invite Dr. V.V. Mancha Kumar, Female Innovative Leader in Healthcare, CEO and Chief Physical Therapist at Varna Healthcare Research and Training Organization LLP. Can we have Mancha on stage, please? I invite Hardik Sirisha, Organic Retailer of the Year, founder of Harlem Organics and Nature Products.
Warm wishes to all the awardees of 2022. I'm Dr. V.V. Mancha Kumar, CEO of Varna's Healthcare Research and Training Organization LLP. I'm truly honored to be recognized as Female Innovative Leader in Healthcare 2024 by the CNS, which is a prestigious global platform for the CISO community. I'm truly honored to meet you all in person in today's event. Unfortunately, I'm not in a position to travel today to the event because of my personal reasons. I'm sending this video in order to wish you all a great success in your life, as well as warm wishes to each and every one who is receiving this award today. This award is truly motivating and inspiring my team as a whole to perform more better and to reach our goals in the near future. I wish all the best to all the awardees, organizers and everybody participating in this event. Thank you so much.
I want to invite Harlem Sirisha, Organic Retailer of the Year, founder of Harlem Organics and Nature Products. Put your hands together for Sirisha. I now invite Alok Kumar, leadership at AI-driven cryptocurrency solutions, founder of Thought Network. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for spending valuable time with us. I think we should give her a big clap. Put your hands together for Hiteshi Katur. I want to invite Ashok Kumar, Farmer Supporter Award 2024 for Organic Farming, founder of Yashoda Organics. I want to invite Dr. Karnam Rajesh Kumar, Excellence in Social Justice and Legal Advocacy, High Court Advocate. Can you have Rajesh Kumar on the stage, please? Upasna Sharma, Most Innovative Company of the Year, Arts, founder and CEO of US Art Gallery. Can you have Upasna on stage, please? Upasna, are you there?
Everybody, myself Upasna Sharma, founder of US Art Gallery, a globally recognized organization dedicated to promoting and celebrating art in all its forms. I regret I could not be with you all at the event due to my business trip. However, I am extremely honored and happy to accept the award of Most Innovative Company of the Year in the field of arts by the Connect Presents Innovative Company Award 2024. This award is a testament to the hard work of all US Art Gallery team. I would like to thank the community platform The Connects for recognizing our effort and for this prestigious award. Once again, thank you for this honor. This prestigious award motivates us to look forward, continuing our journey together and exploring endless possibilities of art and creativity. Thank you once again.
I now request Dr. Kuriyakasrinu Babu Kuleti, Interior Design Industry Leadership Award, Chairman and Managing Director of Happy Living Interiors. Can we have you on stage, please? Umar Khan, Innovative in Healthcare AI Technology Products, CBO at Germantown Hospital. I request Integrated Payment Solutions Provider, founder and of Start Financial Services Private Limited. Please. I invite Vasumitra Kerry, Entrepreneur of the Year 2024, SaaS and IT Services Founder and CEO of Big Time. Put your hands together for Vasumitra, please. I next invite G. Banuchandar, Founder and CEO, Sharada Nenevat, Founder and CEO Director, Young Entrepreneurship of the Year, BSIT Software Services Private Limited. I want to invite Innovative CEO of the Year, Founder and CEO of Sectrio, there's a company name, Innovative Industrial Cybersecurity Company. Anybody representing this company, please come and take the award.
Hi everyone, Chuck Brooks here, cybersecurity veteran and a proud contributor to the CISO community as a global C-suite community platform that connects. While I don't know that I can't be there in person, I'm thrilled to be announcing the winner in the cybersecurity category. The winner of this time is a company that's doing some path-breaking work on securing industrial infrastructure cyber attacks. They're also doing some exceptional work with their R&D capability articulated through a unique lab in Bangalore. The winner of the Innovative Industrial Cybersecurity Company of the Year Award is Sectrio. Huge congratulations to everyone at Sectrio. Way to go, team. Keep up the awesome work. Really well done. And a big shout out to all the other amazing award winners across different categories and industries. Keep pushing the boundaries and getting recognized for your fantastic work. Inspiring to see such dedication and excellence. See you next year, everybody. Take care.
Thank you, Chuck Brooks, and thank you, C-Connects, for giving us this wonderful. It's a special privilege for us to receive this award from a company like C-Connects, which is doing some fantastic work in connecting the leadership community across the globe. Coming to C-Connects, we are a very young and successful cybersecurity company doing some phenomenal work in the field of industrial cybersecurity globally. We are driven by innovation and passion that each Sectrio employee carries on their shoulders. Now, this award comes not just as a testimony to the work that we do, it's a validation of the unique journey that we chose for ourselves. Now, thanks once again for considering us for this honor. It's a privilege to receive this award, and I'd like to wish C-Connects and everyone out there huge success with this event. And thank you.
I now invite Dr. Dinesh Chandrasekhar, Transformation Leader Award, IT Services and Consulting, Chief Strategy Officer at Centric. Put your hands together. Dinesh is a good friend of mine. We can have a bigger round of applause, please. Some more enthusiasm for all the awardees. I want to invite Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Outstanding Contribution of Society Award, Humanitarian of Social and Social Work. Can we have Dr. Rajendra Prasad on the stage, please? A round of applause for Dr. Rajendra Prasad. I want to invite Harshita Saxena, Best Emerging Preschool for Exemplary Childhood Education, Founder and Director of Little Shadows International Preschool. That you're doing, put your hands together. You all go to school and college education. It starts from their teachers. And I have a special affinity towards teaching because I'm a teacher myself. I teach at colleges. So big round of applause for all the teachers out here. Thank you, Ronak Song. Thank you for having you amongst us. Please representing his company, please. Request you to come faster, please. Put your hands together for Go Campus. I want to invite Francakota Vinod Kumar, Innovator of the Year in Technology, Chief Executive Officer at Gen OpenQ Technologies Private Limited. Can you have Vinod Kumar on the stage, please? A round of applause for Vinod Kumar. I want to invite Anish Reddy, youngest entrepreneur of the year. He's under 18. I thought the other gentlemen under 30 were the youngest. I'm sorry, I stand corrected. He's the youngest of the awardees for today, founder of AR for Tech and Plan Event. Anish Reddy, our youngest awardee, can we have a round of applause, please? A louder round of applause. I want to invite Dr. Moksha Kalyanram Abhiramula, visionary leader for comprehensive legal and EADR Solutions Private Limited, advocate, managing partner, Lam in Charge, Legal LLP. Can we have Kalyanram onto the stage, please? Do we have Kalyanram on the audience? Request you to come onto the stage. Little Paths High School. Request Ghulam Hussain to come onto the stage, please. Ghulam Hussain, please. I want to invite Bhargav Datta, Education of the Year, Director of Amta Education and Placements. A round of applause for Bhargav Datta. I want to invite Suresh Reddy Nala, Innovation in Organic Agriculture Award, Director of Mind Based Stores. Dr. Youngest Entrepreneur of the Year is again under 30, CEO of Cortec IT Solutions. Harish, please walk in fast. I next invite Sudhindra Rao Sidlagatta, Corporate Financial Consulting Firm, here, CA and founder of Spondulex Consulting LLP. Put your hands together for Sudhindra, please. I want to invite G. Hemant Kumar, Innovation in Educational Technology, founder of eSign Meta. Can we have Hemant on the stage, please? Put your hands together for Hemant, please. I want to invite Ecot Digital Strategy Marketing Excellence Award. Is there anybody representing Ecot Digital, please? Can we have someone from Ecot Digital onto the stage, please? I want to invite Hamang Singh, Fashion and Business Synergy Award, MD at Allure Arts and Events. Put your hands together for Mrs. Singh, please. I want to invite Dr. Gautam Kumar, Technical Leader in Social Change Award, founder and president of Serve Media Organization. I next invite Dr. Vijay Raghavan, Innovative Manufacturing Company, Nurturing Life, Nourishing the Planet, CEO of DDS Biolife Limited. Can we have Vijay Raghavan on the stage, please? Can we have the award for Vijay Raghavan? I invite Deepali, Innovative Women in Entrepreneur Quality and Craftsmanship, co-founder of Sign Up Agencies. Can we have Deepali on the stage, please? She's connected to the earth. Craftsmanship is her area. Congratulations, Deepali. I now request, thank you sir, thank you so much. I now request Jayesh Ranjan sir to come and say a few words.
Thank you.
A round of applause, please. A round of applause for Intellectia
Sir, look
Private
here,
Limited.
Bro, bro, bro.
The award on behalf of.
Bro, look here. Wait.
A round of applause for a little more enthusiasm, please. Not many winners there for you. Congratulations.
Take it.
Did you draw it? Yes,
Sir, look here, sir.
Will you sketch
Bro,
it
bro.
now?
Okay, nice smile.
He's just done a beautiful sketch in the last 5 minutes. A huge round of applause for him. Thank you so much, sir. A round of applause for him, please.
Sir, look here, smile.
I now invite Mr. Omar Khan. Omar Khan, CEO of Dementi, 10 hospitals, like a sort of Put your hands for Omar, please.
Sir, look here. Sir, look here.
I request Bogipati
Sir, one more.
to come on the stage.
Sir, smile.
I'm sorry there was a hitch when you came on the stage, sir, and my apologies. Mr. Adimurthy, please. He is founder of Capco, CAPCO, Lifetime Achievement Energy Company.
Sir, look here. Smile.
I now invite Mind Village Stores. Anybody representing Mind Village Stores to come on the stage, please. A round of applause for this company, Mind Village Stores. A huge round of applause to all the awardees, and thank you, Jayesh Ranjan sir. A huge round of applause for all the awardees. A hearty congratulations. Thank you, Jayesh Ranjan sir. Thank you for being our chief guest for the evening. All for being our guests of honor. special guest and chief guest.
So why only a few words? I'll say many words. So, I don't want to take too much of time, but first of all, my greetings to respected Ajay Mishra sir, Justice Chandriya, Mr. Rohan, and all the dignitaries. First of all, my heartfelt congratulations to everyone who has received these very important recognitions. We all know that awards are always motivating. Whenever we receive an award, that too in a public platform, it motivates us to do even better to ensure that the good name that we get, that is maintained. It is also a recognition for all our team members, because while only one person comes and receives the award, we know that there are so many people behind us, along with us, who have also worked hard, and in a way, this also is a very good recognition for the efforts that they have put in. I know some of the people who have received the awards personally. I've been to their companies, I've interacted with them, and I know that they are extremely deserving of this award. We know that in Hyderabad, on the one side, we have large companies, we have global giants in technology, in life sciences, in other walks of life. But we also have a large number of mid-scale and small companies. And if you really ask me, they are the backbone of our cities and our states, industrial growth, economic growth, all the new jobs that we get that get created. And at a personal level, I always feel highly grateful to them, because they are the ones who are the real contributors behind our success. The big names are good to speak about when we go for some international meet, to drop some names, that Google is here, Microsoft is here, but the bread and butter are companies like yours. And I'm very happy that the mid-scale and small companies are getting recognized for their innovative work. One of the good things which has happened about Telangana, about Hyderabad, is that we have developed a very strong reputation for professionalism. I participate in lots of investors meet, lots of global companies who are looking at their Indian location, Indian strategy. They interact with us. They have listed other cities also. Typically, mostly it is a competition between Bangalore and Hyderabad. Sometimes competition with Pune, Chennai, Gurgaon. And at the end of it, companies who prefer Hyderabad do mention this to us, that they were impressed by the sense of professionalism, the sense of results. And I can mention this particularly during COVID time. As you know, during COVID time, lockdowns were getting implemented very suddenly, very erratically. And in Hyderabad, we were very clear that we will not impose harsh lockdowns. We will allow companies to work. And lots of work used to come to Hyderabad, work from Bangalore, from Chennai, from other countries also. And normally, if additional work is given to anyone, there will be some pushback. There will be a feeling that why should they give more work to me? What am I going to get additional? But what companies appreciated was that whenever additional work would come to Hyderabad, people would take it with a sense of responsibility. That the company is in trouble, they have expected us to, they are looking up to us to solve that problem, and therefore we should work hard, we should work extra, help the company at this time of crisis. Let me fulfill my responsibility. This is something which people appreciated, and obviously this has not come all of a sudden. This has come because this is the culture in Hyderabad of professionalism, of being sensitive about timelines, deliverables, what is expected to us. And it is all leaders like you, CEOs and CXOs like you, who have maintained that culture. So I feel very proud and very happy that as a government representative, I see the good work that all of you do. I play some role in encouraging all of you, and I'm happy to be.
Your guidance often.
Not big role, but definitely I feel very happy when people like you get recognized. So I would also at the end like to congratulate C Connect, because this again is a very great idea, a great thought to recognize such companies which could be small. Many of the people whom I gave awards, they shared with me that they have just started 4 years ago, 5 years ago, 3 years ago. And it is recognition at that stage, that early stage, which matters quite a lot. So to be able to recognize companies like you, create this platform, call all of us to spend time with you, interact with you, is something which is really, in my opinion, very visionary and very nice also on their part to put this together. So I hope that this will not be a standoff kind of a thing. This will be doing it again and again. And thank you very much for inviting me. Good wishes to all of you.
Thank you for your wonderful words, sir. So, Minister, I request all the awardees to come on the stage for a group photo. Please make it fast. Gentlemen have to leave.
మొబైల్ ఫోటోగ్రాఫ్ బ్యాక్ కమ్ బ్యాక్ కొంచెం వెనక్కి రావాలి అందరూ లుక్వేర్ అలా లుక్వేర్ స్మైల్
I think that should be enough. The attendants are getting late. Let's start the photograph, please.
మేడం కొంచెం
మొబైల్ మొబైల్ మొబైల్
ఒకసారి చూడండి అందరూ ఒకసారి స్మైల్
Thank you. Thank you so much.
స్మైల్ 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 స్మైల్
Thank you so much. Yes, Ranjan sir.
సార్ లుక్వేర్ సార్ లుక్వేర్ సార్ ఒకసారి అందరికీ చూడండి స్మైల్ వెయిట్ 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 వెయిట్